Hi guys, welcome back to my government track channel. So as you all know, I have started the question set series, important question set series for BMC JEE 2019 exam. So I have shared already 2-3 videos regarding these important questions from electrical branch as well as mechanical branch. So in this video we'll discuss some important MCQs from electrical. The topic is power system. So this is the part 1 of that power system, and in the upcoming videos I will cover more MCQs on power system as well as other topics. So mechanical students also can watch this video. It will be useful for you also for BMC JEE 2019 exam. So let's start this video without wasting much time. So starting with the first question. So these are the questions from power system. It includes transmission as well as distribution. First question: by which of the following systems electric power may be transmitted? Option A, overhead system, underground system. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer for this is option C. By which of the following system? Overhead system and underground system. So by using these systems we can transmit the electric power. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Coming to the next question, question number 2. Which are the conductors which connects the consumer's terminal to the distribution? Option A, distributors. Option B, service mains. Option C, feeders. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer for this is option B, service mains. Service mains connects the consumer's terminal to the distribution. Question number 3. The underground system cannot be operated above what range or what voltage? The underground system cannot be operated above 66 kV. Correct answer for this is option D, 66 kV. We cannot operate the underground system above 66 kV. Question number 4. Overhead system can be designed for the operation up to what value? What value of voltage? Overhead system can be designed for the operation up to 66 kV. Option C is the correct answer. Next question, question number 5th. So in this it is given as a statement of one law. So you have to recognize which law is it. If variable part of annual cost on account of interest and depreciation on the capital outlay is equal to the annual cost of electric energy wasted in the conductors, the total annual cost will be minimum and the corresponding size of the conductor will be most economical. This statement is known as what? So that statement is nothing but a Kelvin's law. Okay. Correct answer is option A, Kelvin's law. Next question, question number 6. The wooden poles well impregnated with creosote oil or any preservative compounds will have life of what? So these are having life of 25 to 30 years. Option C is the correct answer. Next question, question number 7. Which of the following materials is not used for transmission and distribution of electric power? Option A, copper, aluminium, steel and tungsten. So which of the following material is not used for transmission and distribution of electric power? Tungsten. Tungsten is not used for transmission and distribution of electric power. Okay. Coming to next question, question number 8. Galvanized steel wire is generally used as what? Galvanized steel wire is generally used as a stay wire, earth wire, structural component. The correct answer is all of the above. So we used galvanized steel wire as stay wire, earth wire and structural components also. Coming to next question, question number 9. The usual span with R.C.C poles are? What is the span with R.C.C poles? The correct answer is 80 meters to 100 meters. So this is the usual span with R.C.C poles. Option C is the right answer, 80 to 100 meters. Next question, question number 10. The corona is considerably affected by which of the following? Option A, size of the conductor. Option B, shape of the conductor. Option C, surface condition of the conductor. Yes, the corona effect, that is corona is considerably affected by size, shape and surface condition of the conductor. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, question number 11. Which of the following are the constant of transmission lines? Option A, resistance. Option B, inductance. Option C, capacitance. Option D, all of the above. So which of the following are constants of transmission lines? All of the are constants of transmission line. That is resistance, inductance and capacitance. Option D is the right answer. Coming to next question, question number 12. 310 kilometer line is considered as which line? Long line, medium line, short line. So which line? The correct answer is option A, long line. 310 kilometer is nothing but a long line. Option A will be your right answer. Question number 13. The phenomena of rise in voltage at the receiving end of the open circuited or lightly loaded line is called as what? Option A, Seeback effect, Ferranti effect, Raman effect, none of the above. The correct answer for this is Ferranti effect. Ferranti effect nothing but the phenomena of rise in voltage at the receiving end of the open circuited or lightly loaded line. Next question, question number 14. The square root of the ratio of line impedance and shunt admittance is called as what? So what is the ratio and the square root of line impedance and the shunt admittance? That is known as surge impedance of the line. Okay, that is nothing but surge impedance. Correct answer is option A. Question number 15. Which of the following is the demerit of a constant voltage transmission system? What is the disadvantage or demerit of a constant voltage transmission system? The correct answer for this is increases of short circuit current of the system. It increases the short circuit current of the system. That is nothing but a demerit of a constant voltage transmission system. Option A will be your right answer. Next question, question number 16. Low voltage cables are meant for the use up to what range? Low voltage cables are meant for use up to 1 kV. Next question, question number 17. The operating voltage of high voltage cables is up to what? So 11 kV is the voltage range or operating voltage of a high voltage cables. Option D will be your right answer. Next question, question number 18. The operating voltage of a super tension cables is up to what? 33 kV. Super tensions 33 kV. And just now we have saw 11 kV is the operating voltage for high voltage cables. Next question, question number 19. The operating voltage of extra high tension cables is up to what? The operating voltage of extra high tension cables is 132 kV. Okay, correct answer is option E, 132 kV. Sorry, correct answer is option D, 66 kV. 66 kV is for extra high tension cables. Okay. Next. Question number 20. Which of the following methods is used for laying of underground cables? So which method? Option A, direct laying, draw-in system, solid system. So which of the following methods is used for laying of underground cables? The correct answer for this is option D, all of the above. We use direct laying, draw-in system as well as the solid system for laying of underground cables. Question number 21. Which of the following is the source of heat generation in cables? So what is the source of heat generation in cable? Option A, dielectric losses in cable insulation. Because of that it is the heat generated in the cables. Option B, losses in the conductor. Option C, losses in metallic sheathing and armourings. And option D, all of the above. So which of the following is the source of heat generation in cables? All of the above. That is dielectric losses in cable insulation, losses in conductor as well as losses in metallic sheathing and armoring. So these are the sources. Because of that, heat generated in cables. Option D is the right answer. Next, question number 22. Due to which of the following reasons the cable should not be operated too hot? What is the reason so that the cable should not be operated too hot? Option A. The correct answer for this question is option E, that is all of the above. We'll see what are the reasons. First reason is the oil may lose its viscosity and it may start drying off from the higher levels. The second reason is the expansion of the oil may cause the sheath to burst. Yes, correct. Option C, unequal expansion may create voids in the insulation which will lead to ionization. That is also correct. Option D, the thermal instability may rise due to the rapid increase of dielectric losses with the temperature. So both four options are correct. So means these are the reasons the cable should not be operated too hot. The correct answer for this is option E, all of the above. Next question, question number 23. Which of the following DC distribution system is the simplest and lowest in first cost? So out of the following, that is radial system, ring system, interconnected system, and option D, none of the above. So which of the following DC distribution system is the simplest and lowest in the first cost? The correct answer is option A, that is the radial system. Option A will be your right answer. Next question, question number 24. A booster is what? A booster is option A is series wound generator, shunt wound generator, synchronous generator. What is a booster? So booster is a series wound generator. Option A is the right answer. Question number 25th. Beside a method of a trial and error, which of the following methods is employed for the solution of a network problems in interconnected system? So some methods are given as below, that is circulating current method, Thevenin's theorem, superposition of currents, direct application of Kirchhoffs laws. So which of the following methods is employed for a solution of a network problem? So the correct answer is all of these. So these methods we usually employed for a solution of a network problems in interconnected system, that is circulating current method, Thevenin's theorem, superposition of currents, and direct application of Kirchhoffs law. Correct answer is option E, all of the above. Next question, question number 26. Which of the following faults is most likely to occur in cables? So which of the faults? First, cross or short circuited faults. Option B, open circuit fault. Option C, breakdown of cable insulation. So the correct answer is all of the above. So these faults most likely to occur in cables. Question number 27. The cause of damage to the lead sheath of a cable is what? So what is the reason to damage the lead sheath of a cable? So first, option A, crystallization of the lead through vibrations. Yes. Option B, chemical action on the lead when buried in the earth. Yes, that is also correct. And option C is the mechanical damage. So these are the three reasons because of that the lead sheath of a cable damages. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Coming to next question, question number 28. The voltage of the single phase supply to a residential consumers is what? What is the value of the voltage of a single phase supply to the residential consumers? That is option C, 230 volt. 230 volt of the single phase supply to residential consumers. Question number 29. Most of high voltage transmission lines in India are what type? Underground type, overhead, either of the above, or none of the above. So the correct answer is overhead. So we used most of the voltage transmission lines in India, that is overhead lines. Next question, question number 30. The distributors for residential areas are what? Options are option A, single phase, option B, 3-phase 3-wire, option C, 3-phase 4-wire, option D, none of the above. So the distributors for residential areas are 3-phase and 4 wires. The correct answer is option C. So these are the 30 questions I have covered from the topic power system. So mechanical students also can watch this video, and if you do, please do like, share and subscribe to this video, this channel, my government track. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.